In this video, we'll learn how to make Mumbai's famous Pudla sandwich. So if you're interested, keep on watching. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of chickpea flour, that is besan. To that, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, salt as per your taste. I'm adding 1 teaspoon here, and 1 teaspoon of Carom Seeds, that is ajwain, and a pinch of hing. Now with the help of a whisk or a spoon, mix all the dry ingredients nicely so that the masalas are evenly distributed. Now we'll add the water. At first I'm only adding half cup of it and mix it nicely so that there are no lumps forming in the batter. And once that is nicely mixed, I'm adding again 1/4 cup of water. At first it will look runny, but don't worry, after mixing it for a good 1 minute, you will get a nice lump-free batter. So for 1 cup of besan, I have added 3/4 cup of water. Now for the stuffing, here I have 1/4 cup of shredded cabbage, 2 tablespoons of sliced tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of sliced capsicum. You can also use colorful bell peppers here, and 1/4 cup of boiled sweet corn kernels, 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander, and 1 green chilli finely chopped. I'm going to squeeze in half a lemon here. And for seasoning, I'm just adding 1 teaspoon of chaat masala and mix everything nicely with the help of a spoon. If you are new here, then consider subscribing to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you would be notified every time I post a new video. For the sandwich, here I have 4 slices of bread. I've taken brown bread, but if you want, then you can also use the regular white bread. Now dip it into the batter that we had prepared earlier, nicely coated on both the sides. And then on a non-stick pan, drizzle some oil and then place the bread. Similarly, we'll dip another bread and place it as well. And now we'll add the stuffing that we had prepared earlier. Add 2 tablespoons of stuffing on each slice of bread. And sprinkle some chaat masala on top. And also some red chilli powder, just to make it a little more spicy. And now, after cooking for 1 minute, flip it to the other side so that the vegetables are nicely sizzled and cooked. And gently press it with a spatula. Drizzle some more oil on top of the bread and smear it with the help of a spatula. Now let the veggies sizzle for 2 minutes on low flame and then again flip it to the other side. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of crumbled paneer here. If you want, then you can also grate some cheese. And now shut the sandwich close, bring it to the center and then let it cook for a while, and then flip it to the other side and let that side also cook for a minute. And I have diagonally cut it into small triangles. Place it like this and grate some cheese on top Here I am grating 1 cube of processed cheese. A perfect Jain recipe to try before the Paryushans. Hope you like this video. Do try this recipe at home. Share me the pictures on my Instagram. I would love to post it on my stories. Also, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. I come up with new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Until we meet next time, keep munching! Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook.